Alright, your right hand's going to start off playing F sharp, G, F sharp, then D. Then you're going to land on a B. So it's, once again. Then what you're going to do after that repeatedly is play a D, F sharp, G, F sharp, D, and then a B again. So I'm going to play this slow. From the top it's, then start on the D this time. Start on the D again. After doing that, you're going to play a 2-note chord. That's B and D. So, playing that whole thing slow, it's from the top. Then what you're going to do after that is play a D. Then this time play an A, then a G, then an F, then a D. So you're going to play then you're going to land on B. And then you're going to repeat what you learned earlier starting on the D. Play the 2-note chord again. Then start off on the D. And so on. It'll make more sense once we put both hands together, but now you know the notes on the right. Moving on to the left hand, you're going to start off playing octave G's, but you're going to play a D as well. So play a G, D, and a G. After you play that chord, play the D again, so it's, then play the same octave G's, but just move your pointer finger up 1 note, move it up a whole step and play an E now. So now I'm going to play a G, E, and a G, then play the E again. So from the top, then you're going to play this chord here. This is a B minor, B, D, and F sharp. So once you play that chord, you're going to play the F sharp again, and then start from the top. And so on. Your right hand's going to start off the song. Once you play the B in the right, then you play the chord in the left. Then you play the D again on the left, then start off on the right. Left note, left hand plays, then right hand continues. So playing that again slowly, I noticed that the left hand plays the F sharp and the thumb twice. So starting off in the right, both hands play on this note here, then the right hand continues, both hands play, left, right, both hands there. When you play the 2-note chord in the right, the B and the D, you're going to play a F sharp here. Then you play the F sharp again in the thumb in your left. And notice when I'm here and I play the chord, I play the left F sharp, then the D in the right. I can add the F sharp there. I didn't add it when I taught you the right hand by itself, but you can play that F sharp as well. So it's once again. Back to the beginning. Or you can leave out the F sharp. It's up to you. But that pretty much wraps up the tutorial. Thanks for tuning in.